Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? Well, as promised on my Facebook group, I did post these on my Facebook group. These are my Fatty Patty grab bags. And I do have one box left. Hang on. It's really heavy. But there's only one of these left. It's a medium box. Let me just tell you right now that this box right here has like 3 times, maybe 4 times as much stuff as this does. And it's only $5 more, but there's only one left. And so the lucky people that got these boxes, congratulations, I'm just saying. And let me see if I need to, my camera's not going in and out right now, but I have a feeling it is. So let me fix that really quick. And when I said that these are priced to sell, I meant it. I am only selling, I'm only selling a few, and there's only a few left because I did give my Facebook people a heads up on these this time, you know. So let's just get started. These are Fatty Patty grab bags. They're ready to go. I'm going to the post office today. So if you want to put your order in today, I'll probably get this in a couple of days. And let's just get started of what's in here. So it's a lot. So anyway, this came off. So anyway, and I promise you guys that don't like all this selling nonsense that I'm doing. I'm slowing down, but I'm in a de-stash mode right now. So anyway, so yeah. So if you guys got my mystery kits, these are my mystery kits on steroids, but some of the stuff that's in here was in my mystery kits as well. So anyway, but yeah, so okay, so there's that. There's some beautiful paper. There's just some ATCs. There's some. This has some. What do you call that? Not white paint. Oh my god, I'm not awake yet, you guys. Primer, like a primer on it. Here, let me move this way. Okay, and just this is basically just flow journal stuff, stuff that you can. Oh, that's the thing right there. Play with in your Fatty Patties. There's beautiful cards like so, and tickets, and a cute little wooden piece. And just some frames, some napkins. I don't know what this is, but I found it and I just thought I love the color. It's like a coppery color. Some notepads, some cards, just a bunch of stuff. Some Zen, some more tickets than you'll ever need to get you in your Fatty Patty word. And these are words. I love these. As a matter of fact, I had to stop myself from putting these all in. I had to keep some. I said, why am I giving all of these away when I'm constantly looking for words for my Fatty Patty? So that's it. I'm not giving these away anymore. So yeah, that's not happening because I love these. And I'm done giving and selling them because I need them. So yeah. I'm putting the rest in my stash. I noticed that I'm starting to give away sell a lot of my stash, which is good. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to de-stash here, but I need stuff too. So I'm overdoing it a little bit. But anyway, so these are in my shop right now. So much fun. These are like some vintage spring playing cards. Really fun. And just some project, paper. And then, these are some women's suffrage. I think there's one of these in each, maybe 2. I don't have any more of those now either. I got rid of a lot of stuff, you guys. A lot. Nature never did betray the heart that loved her. I love the words. Oh, and these are these cards from Oregon. That is Gold Beach. I don't think I've ever been there. If it was, I wasn't there since I was a kid. These are these postcards. There's old-fashioned postcards. A couple of these Coca-Cola things. Let me tell you about these boxes. Here's what happened. I put together some of these kits. And I thought, okay, I'll put together some more kits. And then I said to myself, I am so sick of putting together these kits. Sorry, guys. I'm just done. And so I pulled out 2 great big boxes and I stuffed them. I stuffed them full of this stuff. Yeah, this is just some packaging. You guys know how much I love packaging. Here's some stickers. Oh, and here's some really cool cards. I just love these cards. So these are in there as well. Ten of Swords, 3 of Cups. I don't know. These are some kind of a tarot. Are these tarot cards? I don't know. I just love the images. They're so pretty. And there's some cool Fears Be Gone. Oh my God, I thought of that one time. I was gonna call it Monsters Be Gone. Monster spray. That's what I did for Lauren when she was a baby. I took a can and I made a label and I said, monster spray. And I said, okay, well, if there's monsters in the closet or whatever, I'd fake spray. Like I took an empty can of spray. I should have used like um, like a room spray, but I just used an empty can. I went, shh, that's the magic, you know? Aaron I don't know. They're cute. Real cute. Barn raising. Oh, and then just some birthday and cards, some that are, you can use for flips and stuff in your Fatty Patties. Fatty Patty, he lights a cigarette off of a cake. Okay. That's a typical dude. And then some tags and doodads and whatnots. And then a Coco Chanel. After I bought my daughter's birthday present, I always ask for samples when I buy like more expensive perfume than I normally do. Like I think I buy expensive perfume maybe once, maybe twice a year, and always on her birthday I'll buy her something. But I don't spend more than like $100. But to me that's expensive. And then like for myself on Christmas sometime. But anyway, I asked for samples, and it never fails. They always say, "Oh, we don't have very many." Always. I go, you guys always say that. She goes, but it's true. I'm like, okay. So this is some of that packaging that I was playing with in my last Fatty Patty. And some more of these cool cards. Just cute cards. Just a lot of cards and stuff for your tuck spots, doodads and whatnot. Some napkins that I love. Some beautiful paper. Oh, this is from Lauren's packaging from the Versace. I got her like a gift kit. A gift box, and like all of I thought, God, is perfume going up, and the girl goes, yeah, everything's going up. So but I did find it for $120, or was it $130, and there's just some cutouts, and so it's an airplane, and then these are just some letters. So $130, the packaging was beautiful. And Lauren knows her mom, so she gave me her packaging. I'm like, thank you, honey. These are like a map, which is really cool because there's a map in here. There better be a map in here now that I said that. If not, I can't put one in here because I actually recycled the rest of it. I took a couple pieces out for myself and recycled the rest of it. Some graph paper. I love this paper as background, you guys. I love it. Oh, and there's Marilyn Monroe images in here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, there's the map paper. And it's big. It's a big one. This one has Michigan. But you can't pick, And I always put these in my Fatty Patties because I love these roses. No, not my Fatty Patty, but my kits. And did I keep one for me? Well, I sure hope I did because I love those. And then this black notebook paper, which I adore. And then just some images. Oh, and this is those books. These books are in my Etsy shop. And I wonder if I might take one down and use it. No, I think I kept some pages myself. I don't know. But anyway, so these would be fun. It's upside down. These would be fun, isn't it? These would be fun to like cut out the little images and stuff and like use these as borders because these colors are so vibrant and beautiful that if you cut this and then fold it around your patty page like this, because I'm going to fold this to show you. If you fold this and put this around your fatty patty page, look at the borders and you can get two of them out of it. That's your border. That's what I'm hoping you guys are going to do with these things that I'm putting in here for you. So I love those. I always look for vibrant pages. Okay, and these are some of those quilting, and there's a ton of paper on here. Look, some have one, some have two. This lucky person has two. I mean, and this is a really good deal right now. And then you guys, I really feel like I'm done with the kits, but I do have a few other things I'm going to sell, some like random stuff that I am going to sell. So, be prepared for that. Oh, and everybody's going to get some of these stamps. So do yourself a favor. These are like French stamps, but do yourself a favor and, well, you might want to copy that if you like that one, but cut them out with a pinking shears and make them look like stamps and use them in your in your art. Oh, here's another map. Or is that the same one? Nope. Yep. I don't know. I honestly don't know. And some coffee dye paper, just some stuff that oh, these were some signatures, some things that I made for some books. It's got like a piece of fabric sewn on it. Not everybody's going to get that. And a fortune and some doilies. These are really lacy looking. Aren't those pretty? I stuck one of those in there. 1 or 2 or 3. I don't know, however many. And then some batik fabric. Enough to make a junk journal cover, because my junk journal days are numbered. And if I do make any more again, they're going to be specialized and different. So yeah. So anyway, so that's it. If I were you, I'd get over there and grab this. This is great for Happy Meal, for swaps, for Fatty Patties, for your art, for collage, for just, oh, there's the other map. So yes, this one has 2 maps. So lots and lots of stuff in here. I'm not going to lie, it's packed. So get over there and, oh, I think my cat just saw my dog or something happened. So, grab these, and if you grab them, they're going out in the mail today. So get them early so I can get them in the mail today for you. And I want to thank you to those of you that are buying and supporting the Mally Fund, I'm calling it. But it's actually the Dawn Fund. And I really appreciate it, you guys. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Again, there's only one of these boxes left. So get over there and it's basically this one, like times 3, plus other extra stuff in there. All right, you guys, thanks so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you. Promise you I'll be back soon with more arty stuff. Oh, I've got some great stuff coming down the pipe with fibers. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.